Welcome to Hey Ivan, a channel where people ask tech questions. Today's question is, how do I use iOS 14 widgets? Before iOS 14, the iPhone showed a grid of square icons on the home screen, and as you installed apps, they would land in an empty spot on the screen, or a new screen would appear to the right of an existing one where the app would install. After a while, you'd have several screenfuls of apps. You can make things a little better by creating folders to improve the organization, but your options were limited. iOS 14 changed all that on iPhone with the introduction of App Library and widgets. I made a short video that talks a little bit about App Library, link in the description. Let me know if you'd like me to make a video that explains the App Library in more detail. So what are widgets and how do you use them? Widgets are like miniature applications that either bring information or controls to your home screen. I think of them as small companions to the apps that are installed on your iPhone. A number of widgets are built into iOS, and you'll get others as you install new apps on your phone. You can access widgets on your phone without disturbing the layout of your application organization strategy. Go to your home screen, see the series of dots along the bottom of the screen? That tells you which app page you're on. Swipe across until you're on the first app page. Then swipe from left to right to jump into Today View. Here you'll see a collection of widgets, which come in a variety of sizes. You can take a widget from Today View and drag it across into an app page. When you do, you'll see how the apps reorganize themselves to make room for the new widget you plan to drop. Let's tap Done. Now let's say you want to add another widget. Tap and hold on an app, then tap Edit Home Screen, which puts your phone into jiggle mode. Look in the top left and then tap the plus button to access the widget gallery. Here you can scroll through a list of widgets. Some widgets are specific to apps you've installed. Tap a widget like batteries, swipe through to select the size you want, and then tap Add Widget. Last, position the widget where you'd like it to be, then tap Done. Let me show you two of my favorite widgets before we wrap up. First, Smart Stacks. Let's go back into jiggle mode, then tap the plus button. Then tap Smart Stack. Select a widget size. I like this middle one. Tap Add Widget, now tap Done. The Smart Stack is a collection of widgets that you can swipe through. As you use your phone, you'll swipe to the widget in the stack that you want. Your iPhone will learn when you want to see each widget over time. So perhaps in a couple of days, when you open your phone, it'll show you the weather in the morning, the news in the afternoon, and maybe music in the evening. At any time, you can long press on your smart widget and choose to edit the stack. Then you can reorder or remove items from the stack that you don't need anymore. Here's a pro tip. You can enter jiggle mode and you can tap the plus button and drag a widget into your smart stack to build it up and customize it even more. My next favorite widget is Siri App Suggestions. As you can see, it offers to get app launch suggestions based on your usage patterns. To save myself the trouble of looking for the apps I need most, I'll put one of these widgets on my first app page. Then I'll add 3 of these widgets on my second app page. Now my phone will automatically show me the apps I use most. If I ever need an app that's not in the list, I can pull down from the center of the phone screen and search, or I can swipe across to the app library and grab it there. Do you have a question for Hey Ivan? Drop it in the comments and let's see if we can find you an answer. If you liked this video, click like and subscribe for free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.